Hello guys, welcome to my first video on YouTube. So here I'm gonna tell you about some of the awesome websites you can visit on your Windows PC. So here are some websites. So let's get started. The first is known by the name of EMUOS. So uh, before starting, I just want to say please subscribe to my channel. I have an aim to reach 30 subscribers uh, after my first video till next week or 2 weeks. So please subscribe to my channel and do like the video. So let's get started. The first website, and all the links to the website will be there in the description. So this is the website EMUOS, where we can actually visit, um, where we can actually use games and apps available on Windows XP. So here I'm playing Tetris. So as you can see there, apart from Tetris, there are many old games which many of us have played, must have played. For example, I'm playing Tetris Night right now, and apart from Tetris, there are many other games. So let's head towards the next game. So here I'm gonna show you how there is also Minecraft. I'm gonna open Minecraft now, and as apart from Minecraft, we also have Clippy here. That's surprising. We also have Pac-Man and many other games. You can visit the website and see. So as you can see, the Minecraft game has started. um, we can actually just play Minecraft. It's really good. I'm gonna actually start the controls now. Just a minute. I'm just able to jump. Just a minute. I'm not able to find the controls till now. I've just play buttons. I've just started now. I'm gonna now. Let's just break some of these. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So the controls I used was ASDW for movement and spacebar for destroying the bricks. So let's head towards the next website. We also have notes and paint, which was available at that time. So let's head toward the next website, which is by the name of uh, mechabricks.com. So it's a website where we can actually make 3D figures of the Lego models. So I'm gonna visit the website. Here is Mechabricks. So here I don't have the time to make it on my own, but yeah, I could just pick a figure from their library and can show you how it would look like if you make it on your own. Yeah, so I'm gonna choose the red and white one. So let it load. So this website is really good. You can as you can see, there are many blocks like Lego, and you can just design your figures on your own. Anything, there are many available in the library. Also, you can just modify them by adding such more bricks to them. And as you can see, the model, it's been picked from the library. I don't have the time to make it on my own, but I can show you how you can just use these bricks. So I picked one. You can move it up and down. It's like you can just make a 3D figure of anything you like on your own. For example, this it's a transformer I made. I just picked it from their library, but you can just design it on your own if you want. And this website is really fun if you are into such things, making 3D figures. So let's head toward the next website by the name of playface.me. Here we can actually type a phrase and can find movie clips where this phrase was said. For example, I'm gonna type iPhone. Okay, so just a minute. Why it's not loading? Oh, I have to remove one eye. As you can see all the scenes of movie where the word was used. You can actually write. It's good. It's really good. And after that, when it's finished, yeah. The next website is Google Stimulator, I guess. Google Map Stimulator. So we can actually pick a city. Let's choose London. No, oh yeah, London. So we can actually drive as if it's like driving on the Google Maps. They have picked the data from Google Maps, I think, and I'm able to just it's for fun only. And as you can see, I am driving over the buildings. Let's go to Las Vegas now. I am driving over the buildings, and that's crazy. So there are many other features to zoom in or zoom out if you are not liking the viewpoint from where we can see the car, but yeah, you can just change it. You can just zoom in or zoom out as per your comfortability. So the website is really good. All the links to the website will be there in the description. Let's head toward the next website, the higher lower gain. So we have to choose one. So this is more, it's correct, I'll get 1 point. Then the next one, it's maybe lower, yeah, and then the next one higher, obviously I won. So lower, shit, I lost. You can just restart the game by moving back, and you just restart the game. I lost the game, but yeah. So here's the end of the video. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel and tell me in the comment section what I have to improve in my videos so I can improve it till my next video. Thank you.